The Cuban sandwich, also known as a Cubano, has its origins in Cuba and Florida, particularly in the cities of Tampa and Miami. It is a delicious and iconic sandwich made with Cuban bread, roast pork, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard, often pressed and grilled to perfection. Origins in Cuba. The sandwich's roots trace back to Cuba, where it was a popular meal among workers, particularly in the cigar factories of Havana. The simple yet flavorful combination of ingredients made it a convenient and satisfying meal. Development in Florida. When Cuban immigrants began arriving in Florida, particularly in Tampa's Ybor city and later in Miami, they brought the sandwich with them. In these cities, the Cuban sandwich evolved and became a staple in the Cuban-American communities. Tampa. The Cuban sandwich in Tampa often includes an additional ingredient, Genoa salami. This variation is attributed to the influence of Italian immigrants who also lived in the area. Miami. The Miami version of the Cuban sandwich generally sticks to the traditional ingredients of roast pork, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard. Both cities claim to be the birthplace of the Cuban sandwich in the United States, and there is an ongoing friendly rivalry between Tampa and Miami regarding which version is the authentic one. However, both versions are widely enjoyed and celebrated today. The Cuban sandwich, like any food, has an impact on your body depending on its nutritional content and how often you consume it. Here's what a typical Cuban sandwich might do to your body. Nutritional breakdown. A typical Cuban sandwich includes the following ingredients, each with its own nutritional profile. Cuban bread, high in carbohydrates, provides energy. Roast pork, rich in protein, helps with muscle repair and growth. Ham, also a good source of protein, but can be high in sodium and fat. Swiss cheese provides calcium and protein, but is also high in fat. Pickles, low in calories and add a small amount of vitamins and minerals. Mustard, low in calories, adds flavor without adding much fat or sugar. Potential impacts on the body. Energy boost. The carbohydrates from the bread provide a quick source of energy. Protein intake. The pork and ham contribute a significant amount of protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance and repair. High in sodium. The ham, cheese, and pickles contribute to a high sodium content, which can raise blood pressure if consumed in excess. Fat content. The sandwich contains both healthy fats from the cheese and less healthy fats from processed meats. High saturated fat intake can lead to increased cholesterol levels over time. Calcium. The Swiss cheese provides a good amount of calcium, which is essential for bone health. Calories. Depending on the portion size and ingredients, a Cuban sandwich can be calorie-dense, which might contribute to weight gain if eaten frequently without balancing it with physical activity. Moderation is key. Occasional treat. Enjoying a Cuban sandwich occasionally as part of a balanced diet is generally fine for most people. Consider the ingredients. Opting for leaner cuts of pork, lower fat cheese, or whole grain bread can make the sandwich healthier. Balance with other foods. Pairing the sandwich with a side of vegetables or a salad can help balance the meal by adding fiber and more nutrients. In summary, while a Cuban sandwich can be a delicious and satisfying meal, it's important to consume it in moderation and consider its nutritional content in the context of your overall. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for updated my new video.